Travel in Tyler style. Today we're at the opening day of Eurosatory 2026 in Paris, France, and we're back with another defense show video. And this one's going to be a banger. Eurosatory is the largest defense and security show in Europe, and it runs every other year. Eurosatory's been around since 1967, which means it's existed over 59 years. This is the 28th edition of the show, and I've been coming every time since 2008. Eurosatory combines space, cyber, air, land, and sea, with over 2,000 exhibitors from 65 countries and over 40 different pavilions. There's a little bit of everything here. Missiles, firearms, armored vehicles, boats, drones, optics, you name it. If you're in the defense industry and trying to do business with France, then you have to be at the show. You just do. Today we're going to be interviewing different exhibitors, looking at a variety of different products, and seeing what Eurosatory is all about. Buckle up. This is going to be fun. We're kicking it off at the John Cockerill booth. They have so many vehicles at this booth that I lost track of how many I looked at. John Cockerill is a Belgian engineering and technology group, and it's one of the oldest industrial names in Europe, with roots dating all the way back to 1817, when the English-born industrialist John Cockerill established ironworks and machine-building operations during the Industrial Revolution. And look at them now, still going as strong as ever. John Cockerill Defense develops turrets and weapon systems for armored vehicles, fire control systems and military training simulators, along with combat vehicle technologies.
We're Swarmer. We're a vendor-agnostic software provider for collaborative autonomy, or as they're known, drone swarms. We're working in Ukraine since 2024 in active combat with more than 100,000 missions to date, with more than 40 units. We're using different bits of our software, from the zero trust embedded operational system to the AI copilot that goes on board, and to the user interface, which allows one operator control currently mathematically up to 690 units, and in real life it can be dozens of units controlled from one space in one device by one pilot, optimizing the military operations, logistics operations, humanitarian drops, and so on. And most importantly, we'll be demoing our software for 2 days here on Tuesday and Wednesday, where we will show how we control a swarm right from the booth, 1,000 kilometers away. Our field ops director Joy will be screencasting everything onto the big screen here, and the audience will have a chance to see how the mission planning and execution develops step by step, how the target transfer is happening, how the strike is happening, what are the mechanics behind our product. We're seeking integration partners all across the globe, so please come talk to us and join our mission to make this swarm possible.
Amazing. Killed it.
Now we're over at the Patria booth. These are some bad boys. Patria is the largest defense company in Finland. They're exhibiting the Patria 6x6, which is the foundation of the NATO program, the Patria AMV XP 8x8. The XP stands for extra payload, along with the Patria Trax, which is designed to go places many wheeled armored vehicles can't go, like deep snow, swamps, forests, and even small rivers. How crazy is that? This is the K2 Black Panther tank, made by Hyundai Rotem, based in Seoul, Korea. I've been showing you a lot of tanks and armored vehicles up to this point, but now we're going to look at some guns. Heckler & Koch is a German firearms manufacturer founded in 1949. They are one of the world's best-known producers of military and law enforcement small arms, supplying weapons to armed forces and police organizations in numerous countries. They created the MP5, which is one of the most famous submachine guns ever made, used by police and special operations units worldwide. This is the Aselsan booth, one of Turkey's largest defense companies. This is the AM General UGV, which is unmanned. And then the JLTV A2, which stands for Joint Light Tactical Vehicle. It's the latest version of the US military's light armored tactical vehicle.
My name is Michael. I'm here with FightLite Industries. We're here at Eurosatory 2026 in Paris, France. Got a couple goodies. I can show you at least one of them here. So at FightLite, we're based in Melbourne, Florida. We manufacture the world's lightest belt-fed machine guns. What I have in front of me is actually part of our AMG series. AMG stands for Assault Machine Gun. This happens to be what we call our micro, affectionately referred to as, right? So essentially it's an upper receiver. This upper, by the way, is compatible with any mil-spec M4 AR-15 lower receiver, so that gives you the ability to run belted ammunition like you see here. You got a belt box coming off the bottom of this gun, but it's also, this particular platform is also able to have quick change barrels, right? So basically once the barrel gets hot, if you needed to, you can go ahead and swap it out very, very quickly and efficiently. So we make different length barrels, so the mission configuration can change based on what the operator requirements are. We've been manufacturing this platform now continuously for the last 23 years. The system that you see here is very specific, where we don't have a magazine feed system or the ability to feed, but this is a 200 round drum from something like an M249 or an FN Mini-Me. So it's a 200 round drum. On the rest of our models, you can also run the magazine, right? So basically the rest of our AMG, our assault machine gun platform, can feed magazines as well. So whether that's a 30 round magazine or whether it's even a 100 round, what they call the nutsack, right? A soft ammunition pouch from the M249, you can equip that onto our AMG platform, and you'll end up basically with an ultra lightweight belt-fed system with quick change barrels, short stroke gas piston systems, a lot of bells and whistles basically, and like I said, everything is manufactured right in Melbourne, Florida. That's the Space Coast, the East Coast of Florida there, and we're happy to show our product and showcase it here on the international stage.
Amazing job, Michael. You killed it.
Appreciate it. Thank
You
you
can sell sand to an Arab, I
Thanks for
swear.
checking us out.
Well done, brother.
Have a good one, man. Appreciate
Thank you.
guys. Thank you.
This is the Patriot system. Come on, I don't have to tell you what this does. It causes havoc. This is the Control Solutions booth. If you're looking to buy a turret, hit up John Hayden. He'll take care of you. This is the KNDS Outside Pavilion. They're a major European defense company. They make main battle tanks, armored fighting vehicles, self-propelled artillery, all sorts of stuff. They were formed after the merger of Nexter and KMW.
Hey guys, I'm Jake Laster with Barrett Firearms. We're here at Eurosatory 2026. We're in the booth this year with Loophole Optics. So you'll see their optics on all of our guns. Here we got a MRAD with a Loophole Mark 5 on it. We also have our Rec 10 over here with the Loophole Mark 5 as well, with 3.5 to 18 on it. As we move this way, we have an M107A1 with another Loophole Mark 5. This is the contract optic for the MRAD, or the Mark 22. We also have a pixels on target unit here to pair it with. So this is our flagship 50 cal semi-auto offering. Over here we have the M82A1, which is our probably most famous rifle. Again with a Loophole Mark 5 on it. And then we have our newest big bore rifle over here as well, which is our MRAD ELR, chambered in 416 Barrett, our cartridge. Extreme long range capabilities, well out to 2 miles. Again with the Loophole Mark 5 on it. And then on the center over here we have a lot of Loophole optics, as well as the Mark 22, which is the military variation on the Barrett MRAD.
This is the I2K inflatable decoy. So when the Russians think they took out a Patriot system, a lot of times they just popped a balloon. Fooled you. Now we're at the Sig Sauer booth. This is their Argus drone. Sig Sauer started off as a Swiss company, then they became a German company, but now they're a US company. I'm claiming them. If you disagree with me, leave a comment. Sig Sauer makes pistols, rifles, optics, ammunition, suppressors, you name it. I'm probably missing some things, but you get my point. This is the Hexapod, which is a remote weapon system. You may be wondering how I know all this. It's because I shipped them. Shout out to Jake Carter, #1 gun runner. Sig Sauer's been around since 1853, so they've been here for a minute and they're not going anywhere. Their booth is always one of the busiest at the show. When you walk around the Ukraine pavilion, you can't help but notice that there's drones everywhere. They're all over the place. Everyone's making drones, and they've gotten really good at it. Ukraine's drone industry has scaled up massively since 2022. Skyfall systems are a part of the shift towards drone-heavy warfare, and we're at their booth now. You know, when I was a kid, I was never really scared of vampires. They never really bothered me. But now that I'm older, they scare me. Of course, Lockheed Martin has a huge presence at Eurosatory. This is their PAC-3 and THAAD. If one of those are coming at you, you better hide. That's the truth. More drones. Definitely the theme of the show. Warfare's changed. The days of just dropping bombs on people don't exist anymore. At least it doesn't seem like it. And that's what Eurosatory shows. It shows how much the technology has evolved. Every time I come to a defense show, I'm amazed by what I see that's new. It's really incredible. Special thanks to AUSA. You guys nailed it. Gay Hudson, Alex Brody, Emily Call, Michael Cerami, your whole crew. Thank you everyone who helped me make this video. Eurosatory 2026, Paris, France. Subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of videos coming. This is what I do. I travel the world going to defense shows and I record videos of it. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram. Same thing, Travel and Tyler style. Till next time, come along with me for the ride. I'm out.